determine k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP. If three consecutive terms are in AP, that common difference have said that here k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are in AP. AP है तो that means the common difference have same. Common difference have same. Therefore, first term, second term and third term. Therefore, A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 are equal. And the difference between two consecutive terms are same. What is A2? A2 is 4k minus 6. What is A1? K plus 2. That is equal to A3, 3k minus 2. A2, 4k minus 6 are same. Okay, therefore 4k, simplify this term. 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k minus minus plus 6. To 4k minus k, that is equal to 3k minus 8 is equal to 3k minus 4k, that is minus k, and 6 minus 2, that is equal to plus 4. Okay, therefore 3k plus k is equal to 4 plus 8. 3k plus k, that is equal to 4k is equal to 4 plus 8, 12. Therefore k is equal to 3. Then the determine k means find the value of k. K is equal to 3. See here, A4 by A7 is equal to 2 by 3 is given. Find the value of A6 by A8. How to solve? Here, A4 by A7, that is equal to 2 by 3. A4 means A plus 3D. Fourth term of an AP, that is A plus 3D. Seventh term of an AP is A plus 6D, that is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiplication. 3 multiply with A plus 3D and 2 multiply with A plus 6D. Okay, cross multiplication. And the relationship between A and D. Find the relationship between A and D. That is 3A plus 9D, that is 2A plus 12D. 3A minus 2A, that is equal to 12D minus 9D. 3a minus 2a, that is a. 12d minus 9d, that is 3d. What is value of a? A is equal to 3d. Okay, relationship between a is equal to 3d. What to find the value? To find a6 divided by a8. A6 means a plus 5d. A8 means a plus 7d. And what is the value of a? A is equal to 3d. Substitute the value in this form. 3d plus 5d divided by 3d plus 7d. 3d plus 5d, that is 8d. And that is equal to 10d. dd cut. That answer is 4:5. Then final answer is 4:5. Because a is equal to 3d. Right, a is equal to 3d. Then the value of a is equal to 3d in this form. Okay, clear? What is the question? How many 3-digit numbers? Find the 3-digit numbers are such that when divided by 7 leaves a remainder 3 in each case. ऐसे कितने नंबर्स है 3-digit नंबर जिसको हम 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 3 रहेगा. ओके, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स, how many 3-digit numbers when divided by 7 leaves a remainder is 3 in each case. So first, the 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are 100, 101, 102 up to last number is 999. Okay. 3-digit number divisible by 7. पहले सबसे पहले 3-digit number लिख दिए. Second step, divisible by 7. 3-digit number divisible by 7. 3 digit number divisible by 7, that is smallest number 105. Why? 14 7 जा 98, 15 7 जा 105. Okay, the smallest number is 105. फिर 112, 119. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या होगा? 14 मल्टीप्लाई 7, दैट इज इक्वल टू 98. तो 98 नेक्स्ट नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 7, दैट इज 105. उसके आगे सारे नंबर 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 7. ओके, क्लियर? एंड द लास्ट नंबर 999 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. 7 1 जा 7, 2 9, 7 4 जा 28, 1 9, 7 2 जा 14, 5. तो subtract 5 from 999. So 999 minus 5, that is last number which is divisible by 7, that is 994. Okay, last number which is divisible by 7, that is 994. And last two, greatest two digit number divisible by 7, that is 98. Okay, and the third last one divisible by 7 leaves a remainder 3, adding in each numbers, in each case adding 3. हर एक में हम 3 क्या कर देंगे? ऐड कर देंगे. leaves a remainder 3 है, इसीलिए हर एक में रिमाइंडर क्या रहेगा? ये सब नंबर से उसमें रिमाइंडर क्या रहेगा? 0, बिकॉज ऑल नंबर्स ईच नंबर्स डिविजिबल बाय 7. ओके, अब हमारे पास एक और केसेस है, एक और क्वेश्चन है. इसमें रिमाइंडर क्या रहना चाहिए? हर एक में 3, तो सब में 3 ऐड कर देंगे. 105 प्लस 3, 105 प्लस 3 क्या होगा? 108 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. 7 1 जा 7, 3 8, 7 5 जा 35. हर एक में रिमाइंडर 3 रहेगा. तो कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 108 आएगा. ओके, तो हाउ सी हियर? हाँ, वो मैं बाद में समझाता हूँ ना. 3 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers divisible by 7 leaves a remainder 3, leaves a remainder 3 are in AP. तो देखो उसके आगे का नंबर कौन सा था? 98 था. ग्रेटेस्ट टू डिजिट नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 7, दैट इज 98. तो 98 प्लस 3 कर दो, रिमाइंडर कितना है? 3. तो 98 प्लस 3 क्या हो जाएगा? 101. तो 101 इज ए 3 digit number. Yes, therefore the possible numbers is 101, 105 plus 3, 108, 1112 plus 3, that is 115, up to 122, up to last number 994 plus 3, 994 plus 3, that is 997. Is adding 3 in each case, in each numbers, in each number divisible by 7. हमने क्या किया? ऊपर के सारे सभी नंबर्स में हमने 3 ऐड कर दिए. ओके, तो यहाँ पे सर 98 नहीं है, पर 98 प्लस 3 क्या होगा? 101. एंड 101 इज ए smallest 3 digit number. Okay, which is divisible by 7, leaves a remainder 3. So that AP is 101. Therefore, A is equal to 101. First term A is 101. What is D? 108 minus 101, different common difference is 7. And what is AN? AN is equal to 997. What is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 997. सबसे मेन फाइंड करना यही है, सीक्वेंस फाइंड करना. एपी में है वो, सीक्वेंस फाइंड करना ही सबसे मेन है. पुट दिस वैल्यू A is equal to 101, n minus 1 into 7, that is 997. So 7 into n minus 1, that is 997 minus 101. N minus 1, that is equal to 896 divided by 7. Therefore, n minus 1, 12 7 84, 5. 56. 7 8 ja 56. So how many numbers are there? 128 plus 1, that is equal to 129. Therefore, 129 three digits number which is divisible by 7 leaves a remainder 3. Therefore, 129 numbers divisible by 129 three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers which divisible by which divided by 7 leaves a remainder 3. Remainder 3. That is final answer. Total numbers is 129. Chalo. See here. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, ninth term is 0. Prove that 29th term is twice its 19th term. 29th term is twice its 19th term. Here, ninth term is 0, therefore A9 is equal to 0. A9, that means A plus 8D. A plus 8D, that is equal to 0. Okay, A plus 8D is equal to 0. What to prove? To prove that 29th term means A29. That is equal to, that is twice A19th term. A19th term. हमें ऐसा प्रूव करना है. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is A plus 29D. LHS. A29. What is A29? That is A plus 28D. Okay. A plus 28. A plus 28D. And what is RHS? But A plus 8D is equal to 0. So here 28D, that is equal to 8D plus 20D. 28D, that is equal to, simplify this two term, partition, 8D plus 2D, 20D. Why? Because A plus 8D is equal to 0. Because A plus 8D is equal to 0. We use, put this value A plus 8D. 28 के दो partition, 8D plus 20D, that is equal to 28D. But A plus 8D is equal to 0 from resulting value 1. 0 plus 20D. Therefore, what is the value of A29? A29th value is 20D. Okay, that is in left hand side. Similarly, for right hand side is 2 multiply A19 term. 2 multiply 19th term of an AP. 19th term of an AP, that is A plus 18D. Okay, A plus 18D. That is equal to 2 multiply A plus 8D plus 10D. 8D plus 10D. That is the addition, that is a factor of 18D. हमें 8D, A plus 8D में convert करना, because A plus 8D is equal to 0. Okay. And put this value A plus 8D is equal to 0 from resulting value 1. From 1. That is 2 multiply 0 plus 10D. A plus 8D value is equal to 0 from resulting value 1. And 2 multiply 0, 0 plus 10D, that is equal to 10D. 2 multiply 10D, that is equal to 20D. And here left hand side and right hand side both are same. Left hand side and right hand side both are same. Therefore, A plus A29th term is equal to 2 into A19 term. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, 29th term of an AP is 2 times 19th term of an AP. Hence proof. Okay? Hence proof. Find the 10th term from the end. देखो पीछे से लास्ट से 10th term फाइंड करनी है. 10th term from the end of the AP. AP is 4, 9, 14, 20, 254 last term. The given AP is 4, 9, 14 up to 254. Therefore, last term is 254. If we reverse the AP, reverse the sequence. अगर पीछे से टर्म फाइंड करें, 10th टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड मींस लास्ट, पीछे से 10th टर्म फाइंड करनी है. ओके, एंड से लास्ट 10th टर्म. Therefore, the new AP is reverse the sequence 254 up to 14, 9 and 4. तो अब जो टर्म है वो आगे से 10th टर्म हो गई. ओके, 10th टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड था, अब क्या हो गया, 10th टर्म फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट, 10th टर्म फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट हो गया. देन E is equal to 254. What is D? D is equal to difference between two consecutive terms. So 4 minus 9. Last term minus second last term. 4 minus 9. कोई भी दो टर्म का डिफरेंस ले सकते हैं. Either 9 minus 14, otherwise 4 minus 9. And that difference is negative 5. And 10th term from the end, convert to 10th term from the first. Then we find the value of 10th term of an AP. Then we find the value of 10th term of an AP. Therefore, A10 is equal to A plus 9D. Okay? A plus 9D. What is A? A is equal to 254. 9 into D. D is equal to negative 5. And 254 minus 9 5 is 45. And that answer is equal to 209. Therefore, 10th term from the end. 10th term from the end of the AP is 209. That answer is 209. Here, which terms of the AP is 121, 117, 113 up to dash. Is it first नेगेटिव टर्म? इस एपी में ऐसी कौन सी टर्म है जो फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म है, और दैट टर्म इज इक्वल टू nth टर्म. हियर एपी, गिवन एपी is 121, 117, 113. What is A? A is equal to 121. What is D? 117 minus 121, that is negative 4. And what to find out? Let nth term be first negative term. देखो उसका मीनिंग समझना है. Let nth term be the first negative term. What is nth term? An. Negative term means that is a less than 0, not equal to 0. Remember this. Negative term means an less than 0. That is first negative term. Not equal to 0. Okay. Equal to 0 means nth term is 0 हो जाएगा. Okay. But here nth term be the first negative term. That means an is less than 0. What is an? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. Put this value. A is equal to 121. N minus 1. D is equal to negative 4 less than 0. Simplify this bracket. 121 plus minus 4n minus 1 minus 4, that is plus 4 is less than 0. Therefore, 125 minus 4n is less than 0. Minus 4n transposing to right side, that is less than 4n. अब ये ध्यान रखना. What is the meaning of 125 less than 4n? That value is more than always 125. Yes or no? 125 is less than 4n. That means 4n की वैल्यू 125 से क्या है, ज्यादा है. ओके, 4n वैल्यू इज मोर देन 125. अब इन दोनों की मैं साइड चेंज करता हूं. 4n 125, तो यहाँ पे साइन भी क्या हो जाएगी, चेंज हो जाएगी. लेस देन है, 4n बड़ा है, तो इसमें भी 4n क्या होगा, बड़ा ही रहेगा. 4n is greater than 1. Suppose the number is 130. 125 is less than 130. Yes. So 130 is greater than 125. Yes. अगर यहाँ पे लेस देन होगा तो आंसर रॉन्ग आएगा। क्लियर? तो 4n इज ग्रेटर देन 125, ए नंबर बड़ा है, इतना याद रखना। ओके चलो, देयरफॉर n इज ग्रेटर देन 125 डिवाइड बाय 4। तो कौन सी टर्म आएगी? देयरफॉर n इज ग्रेटर देन डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 31.25। और ऐसी कोई टर्म होती है? नहीं हो सकती, बिकॉज n इज द नेचुरल नंबर। तो 31.25 जो टर्म होगी वो क्या होगी? जीरो होगी। तो 31.25 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा आता है? 32। Therefore n is equal to 32 and 32nd term, 32th term of an AP is first negative term. Therefore 32th term of an AP of the AP is फर्स्ट नेगेटिव। ये जो नंबर आए उसके बाद का नंबर यहाँ पे 1 ऐड कर देना, इंटीजर्स 31 प्लस 1 दैट इज 32 इज फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी। ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, 3 मार्क्स में आ सकता है। ओके याद रखना। हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस, फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ द एपी whose first term is 1/2, a is equal to 1/2, and eighth term of NAP is 17/6, eighth term of NAP that is 17/6, and also find its fourth term, A4. Here a is equal to 1/2, eighth term of NAP that is A8, A8 means a plus 7d is equal to 17/6. Okay, a plus 7d that is equal to 17/6. Put this value in this form. What is a? 1/2 plus 7d that is equal to 17/6. Okay, therefore 7d is equal to 17/6 minus 1/2. So 7d is equal to LCM 6, 17 minus 3 2 ja 6. Okay, therefore 7d is equal to 14/6 and 7 is in denominator form. 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7, 2 3 ja 6. What is the d? D is equal to 1/3. Value of d is 1/3. Common difference is fine. And find its fourth term. Therefore A4. Find its fourth term. A4, that is a plus 3d. What is a? Is 1/2. 3. What is d? Is 1/3. 3 3 cut. 1/2 plus 1. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1. 3/2. Therefore fourth term of an AP is 3/2. Okay. What is the meaning? Which term of the AP 8, 14, 20, 26 will be 72 more? इस एपी में ऐसी कौन सी टर्म है जो 72 मोर है 41st टर्म से? 41st टर्म से 72 मोर है। ओके, हियर गिवन एपी 8, 14, 20, 26 dash dash dash. Let nth term be 72 more than its 41st term. ओके, हमने सपोज कर दिया लेट nth term is 72 more than its 41st term. Therefore nth term is an. Nth term means an. Is means equal to 72 more means plus 72 of 41st term. 41st term plus 72. That is equal to nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Okay. Therefore, what is the formula of a plus an? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is a 41st term? A plus 40d plus 72. Here, what is a? A is equal to 8 and d is equal to 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. A is 8 and d is equal to 6. हमें n फाइंड करना है, हमें n फाइंड करना है। What is A? A is equal to A cancel both side. दोनों साइड A है, दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. N minus 1 into D. D is equal to 6. 14 minus 8, that is 6. 40D. 40 into 6 plus 72. Therefore, 6 into N minus 1 is equal to 240 plus 72. 240 plus 72, that is equal to 312 and divided by 6. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 52. Okay, 312 divided by 6, that is 52. What is N? Therefore, 53rd term of an AP, of the AP, will be 72 more than its 41st term. Okay. Therefore, answer is 53rd term.